Hey folks, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you guys are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can color grade or make a cinematic photo manipulation, kind of in a trending teal and kind of goldish effect with dark moody effect in Photoshop. So basically in this video we're gonna do a very creative and amazing photo manipulation in Photoshop and stand out your profile from the rest on Instagram. So guys, before getting to the video, just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, new camera presets, new Lightroom presets, new LUTs to color grade your videos as well as photos, other cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. And also guys, we're gonna launch soon a second website, that is www.filterpreset.com. On that website we're gonna launch soon the most creative and the powerful preset in the form of mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom preset, camera preset and LUTs to color grade your videos as well as photos just for free. A very trending and the creative color effect would be uploaded on that website. So guys, stay tuned on that website. So before any further delay, let's jump to the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So guys, all you have to do is just click on the quick selection tool and just click on the plus icon and just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected in a proper way. Or else you can also use the pen tool to select the subject cleanly. Now just press the layer copy option or directly Ctrl J from the keyboard. Now let's crop the image. For our Instagram ratio, that is 8:10. You can enlarge the image by pressing the Shift and Alt key. And just hit OK. Now go to the file, click on open, and let's add the background on the image. Let's browse the background. This background will be given in the description, so you can download it for free. Now just go to the edit and just increase the size of the background. First of all we're gonna do is just duplicate the background or the subject layer, and also just make the blending mode to soft light to enhance the photo. Also duplicate the layer which we have done by pressing Ctrl Z and just change the blending mode to soft light in order to now just merge all the layers, both the layers, so you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It will enhance your photograph and make it look more and more amazing. Now just make the background perspective in a perfect way and just place the background whichever it is more suitable. Now go to the edit, select the free transfer or directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard. Enlarge the image and just hit OK. When you have done your adjustment of the image, you can just make it enter by pressing OK. Now just add a layer mask on the background layer. Select the brush tool and select the black color over here from the paint swatches. Now just erase it by using the paint or the add layer mask, because we want a minute details of the roads and it should not look unreal, so we have to delete that portion from the background so that our foreground would look amazing. Now just go to the filter and add the box blur to the background. Make it to around 40 radius or 45 would be pretty much perfect. Or let's add the 35. Don't add too much of box blur, just add a little bit. Select the blur tool and just select the hard round brush and just blur the edges of the subject so that it may look more realistic and original, and it should not look like you have cut out the image. So you have to blur the edge of the subject very precisely. So finally here we have completed our process of blurring the edges. Now it is really looking very much perfect. Now let's create a new layer and just create a clipping mask. Select the brush tool and just pick the black color and let's paint the hat of the subject or the model to make it a little bit of blackish, because the hat is actually whitish grayish, so we want our hat to look very much blackish. So let's add some kind of blackness. Now let's add more blackness. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it and merge layer. Now let's add some burn on the hat. So select the burn tool and just make the exposure to 7% and just make a little bit of blackness on the image. Now select the mixture brush tool, make the wet to 40 and load to 40 and mix 31 and 37 to flow. Just smoothen the skin of the subject or the model a little bit. Don't over smooth the skin because it will look unreal and unnatural, which we actually don't want. So just make a little bit of smoothing on the skin. Now we have done the smoothing of skin. Now all you have to do is just merge all the layers, right click on it and just merge all the layers. First of all, we're gonna add the blackness or the vignette effect on the image. So select the solid color and just select the black color. Add a layer mask, select the brush tool and just erase it from the center of the image. And also delete the upward portion of the area because we want the blackness only in the downward portion of the image. So we're gonna reduce the opacity and change the blending mode to multiply, and here you can see the difference. You can always adjust the opacity according to your convenience. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Now just merge all the layers from here, right click on it and select merge layers. Again let's crop the image. Go to the filter and select the camera filter. Now let's adjust the color effect of the image. First of all we're gonna do is just make a temperature a little bit of bluish. Now go to the calibration tab and just make the cursor of the blue hue to minus around 60 or 45 around. Make the red color to kind of gold skin to plus 25 or something like that. You can play with the saturation also, and you can let's just select the green primary color, and here also you can just play with the color and let's see how it actually looks. You can always adjust this color adjustment according to your photograph and your choice. Let's add the vignette on the image a little bit only, don't add too much of vignette. Let's go to the add a little bit of contrast and let's add or decrease some highlights. Increase the shadows according to your choice. Let's here increase the shadow and just decrease a little bit of whiteness, and let's just decrease some more blackness to get that black effect on the image. You can reduce the shadows according to your convenience and the photograph how it is looking. Let's increase the temperature to yellowish color, because if you want a yellowish tone you can just adjust it from the yellow tone. Now let's add some kind of clarity on the image. Let's add the clarity to plus 15 or something like that. You can just increase the vibrance a little bit, decrease the saturation to get the perfect skin tone. Go to the HSL tab, select the red color and just make the skin color to kind of gold effect, like perfect skin color tone. Select the orange color and also you can just adjust the color effect from here until your skin becomes a perfect goldish pink color, because that is a perfect skin tone. you have to in short you have to maintain the skin tone by adjusting the hue, saturation and luminescence. Now let's add some more blackness or the vignette effect. Increase the midpoint or decrease the midpoint and just increase the roundness. Make the feather to kind of 90 or 85%. Add some highlights on the image to kind of yellowish look. You can also make some kind of shadows. Let's make some shadows to kind of bluish, because we want a kind of cinematic look, so it is very much important to take that shadows to kind of bluish look. Now it is really looking very much perfect. Now go to the curves and just make a 0.1 over here and just increase from the down portion to get that matte effect on your image. So now it is really looking very much perfect and matte look on your image, which is a perfect photo for your Instagram upload. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you still not follow me on Instagram, just also follow. And here we will just create a new layer and let's add some kind of light effect on the image. So guys, just make a stroke of the image and just make one orange color stroke and just increase the size of it and just change the blending mode to screen and just place it on the upward portion of the image to get that sun rays are just coming from that upside portion. It should be looking like that. Now just merge it. Let's again create new layer and make the white color and just add some little bit of highlights of the white color above the orange tone. So guys, if you still not visited our website, then just go and visit our website www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download all the stuff for free for your preset and many more photo editing as video editing stuff. Also guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.